People don't understand this, but the main thing that's causing corona is the 5G frequencies, bro. 5G, bro.
5G.
Yeah, keep being on your phone.
Dog, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, okay.
I can't believe that, bro.
Bro, did you just cough?
No, I cleared my throat, bro.
You cleared your throat, bro.
Why do you have on this mask?
Bro, because it's about to be martial law, bro. You need to pay attention, bro. Look at this. Martial law, bro. Tanks coming in everywhere, bro. It's about to be martial law. You keep playing with it. You keep playing and playing and playing, but I tell you right now, anybody that come around me with COVID-19, the coronavirus, bro, they're dead, bro. Anybody come around me with coronavirus, bro, I'm gonna quarantine them. Self-quarantine. You know what self-quarantine I'm gonna do? Death, bro. That's the best one. D-E-A-T-H. Death. Death. Playing me, man. They got tanks and stuff. You want these people coming up in my house.